Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make corn pudding supreme. A great dish for a holiday. You wanted something different to make for a side dish. We're going to start out with 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese and sugar. Remember? Good. We got it mixed together. Okay, so that's our cream cheese and our sugar. Now we're going to add 2 beaten eggs. Okay. Good, that's pretty. Okay, so we have our eggs, the cream cheese, and our sugar. Now we're going to add. Now I'm going to add a can of cream corn, milk, a box of Jiffy Mix, mix this a little bit. Mix it a little bit with my mixer. Okay, so I'm going to add frozen corn. Added frozen corn and butter. Mix that around a little bit. Okay, so one last thing, and that's the salt and the nutmeg. Add that in there. We added the salt and the nutmeg, and we're ready to dump it in a 9 by 13 pan. Okay, so then we're going to bake it in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. Okay. It's my handy dandy scraper. There we go. Okay, into the oven it goes at 350 for 45 minutes. 45 to 50 minutes. You can maybe test it after 45 minutes, see how brown it is. Make sure it's dry in the middle with a toothpick. Okay, it's looking delicious. Cut our first piece and give it a taste. Absolutely delicious. What a great side dish. Don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, and come back and see all my other new videos.